Здравейте,
Hello
приятели на
friends
всички!
everyone.
Днес ще направя втората част
Today
на
I will make
видеото
the second part of the
на
video,
тази партия, която направих преди няколко дни.
and on this batch I made
И
a few
сега
days
ще
ago
ви
or now I will
покажа
show you how
как
to
да
completed the entire
завърша целият
project to
проект
test in
до тест
Giglad.
в Giglad, какво се е получило.
What happened? Let's do it now.
Нека
Let's
сега да
start.
започнем.
First
Първо
I'll
ще
open
отворя
FL
FL
Studio,
Studio. И
and
в
in
FL
FL
Studio ще
Studio I will
добавя
add
тук
these here
тези
4
4
files that
файла,
Suno
които Suno
generated
ми
for me.
компилира. И от тези файлове аз ще се
And from
опитам
these
да
files I will try to make about
направя
16
около
loops.
16 лупа. Идеята ми е да направя
My idea
4
is to make 4
вариации, в
variations, in
която
which every
всяка една
single variation
вариация да
has 4
има
loops in it,
4
or 2
лупа в
major
нея
with
или
2
2
minor.
мажорни с 2 минорни.
And I actually
И
want to do
фактически
variation in
искам да
A, B,
направя
C
вариация
and
в
D.
A, B, C и D.
So now from
И
here I will
така, сега
demonstrate,
тук
and
ще
I'll do,
демонстрирам.
and I'll take
Ще
out the first loop
направя,
that is initially I will auto
ще
detect the
извада
tempo to
първия
see
луп,
what it
който е
is.
първоначално. Ще направя
And here I see that the
автодетект на
tempo is
темпото, за да
about
видя какво е. И
140.
тук виждам, че темпото е около 140.
I'm
Аз в
currently at
момента съм на
140, and
140
now I'm going to
и
try to see
сега
where
ще
I can go cut
опитам
the first
да
loop.
видя откъде мога да изрежа първия луп.
Well, maybe a little
Да,
more
може
is
би
needed.
още малко е нужно. Да,
Yes,
мисля,
I
че
think
тук
it's fine
така е
here.
добре.
Now I'm going to
Сега
send
този
this
луп
loop to
ще
the main
го
grid to
изпратя
see
в
there it
основния
is.
грид,
Now I want
за да
this loop
видя.
again as self loop to check his
Ето
tempo
го.
to see
Сега
what tempo
този
it
луп
was
искам
recorded
отново
at.
като
And here I
самостоятелен
see
луп да
that this
определя
loop that I've cut
да
is at a
искал
tempo
темпо
of
да записвам.
136. In the main loop it was 139, but 140 actually. And so now I'm going to export it and do a see the main. In the main tempo I will 139. Here I see that this loop sticks out a little and should go in exactly at 4, where F. Now here. So, at this adjustment I can see that the loop is cut is more or less cut off okay, but with this tweaking I'm doing here maybe I'm making a mistake, or I have some risk to change slightly, very slightly, the tonality of itself loop. It is possible after that by cutting all 4 of them, putting them into one variation, it is possible to have a slight beat between the key, but in the end account we'll see what it is. Basically I should cut it without it, I adjust, because in this adjustment I might risk getting this thing. See the drums, when I cut them for Kitron, I had no such problem, but I might have it here. Now we'll see what happens. So, I'm going to cut that loop, and now I'm going to make a new folder in which I'm going to store absolutely all the loops from the ones I will choose from them. I will baptize the Tyros folder to Suno, so I know it's her, and after I'll do this with an underline tempo 139, or that's how I'll do all the loops, adjust them to be at 139 pace to stay that way. So, now I'm going to export and save. I'm going to save this loop in this folder, which I first created. Tyson temp 139. And here I will number it with 1, also I will make a for variation. I'm going to do these 4 loops that I'm going to do the first. This one is Vla minor, I will make them with 1. In B I will make it with 2 or 3 40 SP consecutive to each other because 16 loops will then gather in the same folder and there will be a lot of confusion. Now I'm already going to Giglad and I will show you the folder I created and all 16 loops. All these 16 loops that I made, they were made in exactly the same way that I made the first one and demonstrated it to you. Now in this folder is visible all that start with 1 or imam in minor, in SR or home major, in demo or in re minor and G or in G major. I have done all of them with 2 majors, 2 minors so that I can cover as wide a range as possible of spectrum of harmony. Therefore, here in this folder I have numbered them with 1 for to use them for variation A. I have numbered 2 of them for use in variation B, 3 for variation C and 4 for variation D. And here I actually have 112A which is I did it for test and so on. All these loops I have copied them into Giglad in audio loops. See audio loops folder. I have them there saved. Here's a little bit to hear. There might be a slight difference in tonality here, but we'll see. Now I'm going to go to the style editor to show you absolutely everything how I did it saved and how I numbered it. Here I am, here I have imported or added the whole folder. The whole folder is shortened, it was made by not short. And if you can see, here they are in 1. All that are in 1 are for variation A. All that start with 2 are for variation B and so on. It is important to notice on the right that every single loop I have synced it, I've synchronized it like everyone has a loop at home major, for G major, for a minor and for a minor as I have noted them here in the right part. When you click on the specific loop, this thing is also visible must first before creating the style. When we add them here, all this information should be added so the player knows who the loop is where and so on. After adding here in the right part these things, I have to go to the grid itself and there you can see how have I added them or are they consecutive. So for bank A, I have numbered them in a donor 0 octave and they go to do DS re dos or mi bimo. So all these 4 loops remain for variation A for variation B and go to the next ones sequentially and here you can look at exactly how I stored them on the grid for to be able to add in the style itself and then we already go to the style itself for let's test what happened.
Тук виждам, тук виждам, че има леко биене в тоналността, т.е. тоналността не е перфектна. Тук може би малко също.
Yes, as a conclusion to the whole project and all that something I did or what happened. And I took a rhythm, a style that I took from the internet in the case of Yamaha ties, and that sounded more or less good. I took it to Suno. Suno generated 4 different styles for me. From there what I did, I took a loop that I cut and configured the way you have them I showed. I collected these 16 loops in 4 different variations, with each variation having 4 loops. And you heard the result. The result for me personally is not perfect and not ideal. For me, the more important thing is yes, show the idea of what is not ideal. I see that there is between the loops, and maybe there is a slight difference in tonality. This happened when I cut a loop and he fits the tempo right, and when I adjust it to get right with the tempo with which I want even less than half a unit or 1 unit, and hence this adjustment changes are the lightness, or that is, if for example the original key was in La minor, it is as light as they get in commits in Arabic music. It's not that much here. For example 0 to 100 maybe P or 10, but there is this thing. And when I change the variations, it turns out a light one, a slight discrepancy. This is fixable. It needs to stand out a bit more time and loop to be cut exactly as it is in the tempo without adjusting, then this tonality will not change. But this requires a lot more work. For me it's more important to show you the idea of how it can and the whole process. I think so it turned out to be more or less a pretty decent experiment from what I showed. And for I also like to show this idea, you probably have many different ones too, such ideas. And that's the important thing. That's actually why I'm making this video, exchange ideas, because I give you an idea. And another person watching, he will probably have another idea, he will do some experiment with another rhythm. Maybe it will work out better than what I did. Third will do with a tool like I did in one video with the bazooka. It can to experiment with some guitar or something else. And the question is, yes, we experiment and finally get a more or less decent result. You can share in the comments any ideas at all, anything. Thanks for watching me. Thanks also for putting up with the gulfs and the good things of the experiments which are obtained in the end. So friends, thank you very much. Stay alive and healthy. Expect my next video with some new idea. All good. You.
Всичко добро.